My name is Leon Jacobs, and within Sabic I'm responsible for the sustainability strategy in Europe. Sabic is a global petrochemical company. Globally, we employ more than 30,000 people. On the Chemelot side, we operate 2 naphtha crackers and several downstream polymer units. We also have our European headquarters close by, as well as a technology center. In total, 1,550 people are working in the Limburg area. We produce polymers and base chemicals that are essential for the functioning of our today's society. The polymers that we produce are also sustainable by nature if you compare them to their alternative materials like paper, metal and glass. Think of the lightweighting of cars, think of the preservation of food and the insulation capabilities that those polymers have. We also recognize that we need to reduce our greenhouse gas footprint on the site here. And for this, we have worldwide leading technologies in development that we will discuss later.
My name is Tom Housmans. I'm a senior manager in Sabic's research and development department called Technology and Innovation, and I'm responsible for development of sustainability solutions. From my perspective, one of the proudest achievements for Sabic is the recently announced advanced chemical recycling technology. In this 50-50 JV that Sabic has with its partner Plastic Energy, we will be constructing the world's first advanced chemical recycling plant. This plant will allow us to further expand our already existing portfolio of certified chemical recycled products. With this joint venture, we will be transitioning from a fossil-based feedstock into mixed plastic waste as a feedstock, thus making the transition towards circularity.
Next to the mixed plastic waste recycling mentioned by Tom, we have a second world-leading technology in development, and that is the development of the electric cracker. As you know, we have 2 crackers operated here on the Chemelot site. If we turn them into electric crackers, we can reduce the CO2 emission from that cracker to virtually 0. Today we have a demonstration project running with BASF and Linde that is envisaged to be built on the Ludwigshafen site. If that goes well, we will fundamentally change the way that we operate our crackers in the future. We mentioned the 2 world-leading developments we have on mixed plastic waste and cracker electrification. This, you need to know, we do on a site here where our Olefins 4 cracker is already one of the most energy efficient crackers that exist in Europe. And this is the result of already 20 years of hard work of reducing the energy use there and thus also the CO2 emissions. We have also other developments going on to further reduce the greenhouse gas emissions on the site here. To name one is the usage of our rest heat coming from our crackers. Hopefully soon the green net, or het groene net as we call it in Dutch, will use the rest heat of our crackers to heat many houses in the municipalities of Sittard and Geleen. I hope from the comments made earlier that you recognized that Sabic is differentiating itself on sustainability. And those sustainability developments that we are leading worldwide, we are doing on this side. And we are also being recognized for that by customers and by regulators, either in The Hague or in Brussels, that value us for the contributions that we bring with these developments. And recently, Frost & Sullivan, the renowned consultant, named Sabic the Global Company of the Year, the company that contributed most to the development of a circular economy.
As mentioned by Leon, in our aim to be fully circular and net zero CO2 emissions, we have several steps to take. First of all, we of course need to develop the technologies that allow us to make these transitions. But secondly, we also need to integrate them into our existing assets. But perhaps most difficultly is to do that in a holistic manner so that you take the whole site where we are located into consideration. Now, some of these things we believe we can develop on our own, but others we will require some partners to do so. And this is why the Brightlands Chemelot campus is a good place for Sabic to be.